Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, we are going to start our English task. So firstly open your planner and mention date on plan number 71. In plan number 71, here is our task to revise the lesson that we have completed in week number 9. But in today's lecture, we will just revise page number 52 and 53 using of was and were, because creative writing is my try. We have written in plan number 66. It is a creative writing, and I think that you have changed the sentence by your own, so you will revise it by yourself. Okay, so we will just read out these two pages, and on page number 21 we have completed in our previous lecture. You will just read by your own. Okay students, let's open page number 52. Page number 52, using was and were. Use of was. Was is used with I, he, she, it, and a person, thing, or animal. It means these are the conditions when we use was. Okay, I was, he was, she was, it was, or a person name like Ali was, and things like tree was on the, okay, something, and animals name, single name. Okay, now all the single names we use was with single names, okay, singular values, and were you, we, they, and more than two persons or things. Okay, like boys. Boy is not a single person. Boys means group of persons, group of boys. Okay, two or more boys. So it is plural. We use were with it. Okay, boys were playing. Asad is a name of a single person. Okay, so Asad is a singular or a name of single person, so we will use was with this name. Asad was playing. Okay, with same rule, let's take a look on the exercise so that we will understand how to use was and were. Your pencil. Just look at the first sentence. Pencil. Pencil is singular or plural? Yes, it is singular, so you will use was. They, as we have discussed, you, we, and they. We will use were with these words. They were. We were. The game was over. Game is a singular, so game was over. So we were. We is plural, so we will use were with we. Okay. Bird. Bird is not a single. Bird is singular, but there is birds. Okay. Birds is plural word, so we will use were. Birds were in the nest. He. We have discussed that we will use was with he, so he was. Monkey. If it were be monkey, it would be monkey, then we will use was. But the word is monkeys. It is plural word, so we will use were. Okay, they were, because the day was or were. Yes, the day was, because day is singular name. Okay, so we will use was. The day was okay. With the same procedure we will read, you can complete page number 52 and page number 53. Here is also a game. Okay, some sentence that we will solve out according to the rule. Okay, this is a task. Read out the concept and learn these blanks, or understand these blanks by heart. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.